Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with my first wig once again, same packaging as usual. So I'm seeing the bag with the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then of course I got some goodies. So I got my Myfirstwig elastic headband, which is great for your edges for melting down that lace if you need, like, if you know you apply adhesive and stuff. And then I got this little goodie bag, which I always get, with these little 2-section clips. And I also received one of these rat tail combs, which is also always so good to get. So this is the bag with today's wig, as you saw. And let's get into it. So I'm seeing the wig, and then also I got a pair of wig caps, dark brown, and then I also got a little invoice with the information of the wig, and that's everything that came in the packaging. I'm so excited. I'm seeing a nice blunt cut, long bob. It's not really a bob anymore, because now this is 16 inches, but it's, yeah, it's not a bob, but it's like a, ooh, I love this. I love this. I don't know if it's not just the cut, it's the cut and the color, and then silking it, guys. Oh my gosh, this is a silky straight highlighted 13x6 lace front wig, my friend. I absolutely love this. This screams natural, it screams sleek, it screams summertime. I feel so happy with this wig right now. It's a medium cap, by the way, and the color job is really nice. As I said, as I see it, it definitely give me summer. Yeah, it's very consistent with the way they colored it, and then the cut is really nice. So this is how the lace look. It's pre-bleached and pre-tinted. You don't need to do anything further to it. It's perfect. They did attach some extra like elastic bands on the inside for more security. So you know the vibes, right? Once you see this, and I don't know if you guys can tell by now, but I've done so much of these wigs. You could just tell by seeing the construction of the cap if you can go ahead and do a glueless install or not. And they added this, which you just know that, okay, you get more security with this, you definitely do a glueless install. And that's what I'm going to show you guys. And then in the back we have, well, we have 3 combs in the wig cap. And in the back we have adjustable straps. And I always remove this little extra piece here because I don't really need it. And oh my gosh, it came with a center part, by the way, but you could get a deeper part. They did part it pretty short, but like, oh, I love this, man. And it is pre-plucked as well, so nice and natural looking. It's giving everything it's supposed to give. Yeah, okay, feeling very nice and snugged. Love that for us, guys. I love that. And as I said, this is a medium cap, so just take that to judge where you fall, because I know not everybody wears medium, but a good amount of people medium cap size work for. So I mean, usually for me the size are a little too longer, but it's best to get this size, because if I get a small, then it's gonna be too small, and if I get a large, it's just gonna be way too like long, like just loose on my head. Don't want that, so it's best, like, medium is like the sweet spot, you know. So this feels good. So okay, what I can tell you straight off the bat is, like, so because it's processed, like for the portions that have the blonde highlights, you can feel that those are a little coarser, and that's due to the processing. The parts that are not colored are definitely like silkier. So that's a good thing, and I feel good about that. So yeah, we're gonna do a nice glueless install, as I said before. So before I even go in and like do anything else, I'm gonna cut away the excess around the air portion, because it's just a must.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire.
So you guys know the vibes. As you can see, I went ahead and I cut away the excess lace in the front as well, because we're doing the glueless install. And so for the side here, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some 𝐏𝐫𝐞 and get that nice and laid there, because we don't want the ear portion to be lifting, you know. Blow dry out on cool air.
Eyes still counterclockwise. I dream of you all night.
I went ahead and you saw that I got my powder and kind of just helped to camouflage. The hairline is completely adhesiveless, so you know the vibes. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb now and my flat iron, and I'm gonna get this nice and bone straight. Okay, nice and bone straight. Like, it's already nice and flat, but just like flatter and fixing the parting, you know, so we have that nice bust down vibe.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight.
So I need you guys to know right now, this wig is a 10 out of 10. This wig is a 10 out of 10. Like, you see this cut? The construction, everything is so immaculate, and then it's glueless on top of that. Like, look how flat that is laying with absolutely no adhesive. What? It's straightened like a dream, by the way. Like a dream right now, because I went over it with my flat iron and stuff. You can't even feel like that bit of coarseness that I was expressing earlier on, because, you know, obviously you're straightening it, and so it feels really good, like barely any shedding. Let me point that out. So Myfirstwig, they really bossed this up. Like, I love this. Who would know? Like, it's giving scalp. You could pull it back, like, you really could. It looks so good, and it's glueless. Like glueless, guys. I love this. I 10 out of 10 recommend this. Without a doubt. Like, barely any shedding. It's silky. Movement is beautiful. The color job is beautiful. Customization, everything is on 10. Yeah. Convenient, beginner friendly wig. Lace front wig. Yeah. They understood the assignment and they gave what they were supposed to give. Okay. I'm feeling this wig so much. Let me know if you guys like it. It's such a vibe. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That is it. So easy, so to the point, so quick. Like, I love it. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So please go ahead, check it out, because your girl is excited for this one. Like, it truly is just a vibe. So love that. But yeah, that's it for today's wig video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Also subscribe. Stay tuned for more wig looks and other videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
We're burning so bright.